Ever heard of someone turning a few $100 into a fortune with Bitcoin? Or maybe you're just curious about this whole cryptocurrency thing. Whatever your reason, you've probably stumbled upon Wealthsimple as a platform to jump in. But with all the talk about wallets, exchanges, and different coins, opening a crypto account can feel overwhelming. Fear not, crypto-curious friend. Today's video will be your one-stop guide to opening a Wealthsimple crypto account. We'll break down the entire process, step by step, so you can be buying Bitcoin, or whatever strikes your fancy, in no time. Before we dive in, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Cryptocurrency is a volatile market. It's exciting, but it comes with risks. This video won't be financial advice, but rather a roadmap to navigate the world of crypto on Wealthsimple. So, do your research, understand the risks, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Alright, disclaimers out of the way, let's get started. Step 1. You'll need a Wealthsimple trade account, but don't worry, it's easy. Wealthsimple offers a separate crypto account, but here's the good news, it lives within the same Wealthsimple trade app you might already be using for stocks and ETFs. So, if you don't have a Wealthsimple trade account yet, that's your first step. Download the app and sign up for a regular investing account. The process is straightforward. You'll enter your info, verify your identity, and that's it. Step 2. Finding your crypto haven within Wealthsimple Trade. Once you're comfortable with your Wealthsimple Trade account, it's time to locate the crypto haven. Here's how to get there. Log into the Wealthsimple Trade app. Look for the Accounts tab, usually on the bottom navigation bar. See that shiny plus symbol begging to be pressed? Tap it. You'll see an option to open a new account. Here comes the exciting part. Choose crypto as your new account type. Step 3. Verification Central, but it's faster than you think. Wealthsimple, like most responsible financial institutions, needs to verify your identity before letting you loose on the crypto world. This might sound daunting, but it's usually a quick process. You'll likely need to provide some additional info and identification documents. Don't worry, Wealthsimple will guide you through it all. Step 4. Funding your crypto adventures, time to deposit. With verification out of the way, it's time to fuel your crypto journey. Wealthsimple offers various funding options, including bank transfers and linked accounts. Choose your preferred method, deposit your funds, and voila! Your Wealthsimple crypto account is ready to roll. Step 5. Crypto shopping spree, almost there. Now comes the fun part, browsing the available cryptocurrencies. Wealthsimple offers a curated selection of popular coins, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Do some research on each coin to understand its potential and risks before you hit buy. Remember, invest what you're comfortable losing. Step 6. Congratulations, you're a crypto investor. Well, almost. You've come a long way. Technically, you can now place an order to buy your chosen cryptocurrency. But before you hit that final button, take a deep breath. Remember, cryptocurrency is a roller coaster ride. Don't go overboard on your first purchase. Start small and gradually increase your investment as you learn more. Bonus tip, crypto security matters. With great crypto power comes great responsibility, especially when it comes to security. Wealthsimple uses advanced security measures to protect your account, but there are additional steps you can take. Enable two-factor authentication and choose a strong password to keep your crypto safe. That's it, you're ready to explore the world of crypto with Wealthsimple. Congratulations! You've successfully opened a Wealthsimple crypto account and are now equipped to start your crypto journey. Remember, this is just the beginning. Do your research, understand the risks, and invest responsibly. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting and ever-evolving. Who knows, maybe your next big financial move is just a few clicks away on Wealthsimple. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.